Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to attach a document to Gmail. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Gmail both in your phone or PC. It doesn't really matter because this method actually works on both. And after that, go to your Gmail account and then let's try to actually send an email. So let's go through here, compose, and as you can see, this is like the new email. So let me just go here, and as you can see, let me just expand this page. Now let's just click OK. So here what you need to do is actually write to whom you want to send it. It doesn't matter to be whom. Here the subject, and here you will need to write whatever thing you want to add or your email. So after that, sometimes you need to attach a document or a file to your Gmail or your email message. So how you can do it is pretty much simple. So all you need to do guys is pretty much easy. Go to next to the send, you will find this menu over here. So all you need to do is click on this attach files, and from here you can just drag whatever file you want, for example this Discord document. But guys, as you can see, you must attach not a file that is larger than 25 megabytes. So it can be like a CV, a PDF file, an image, or even a video. But please guys, do not make any like a huge so let's try something like that. Okay, for example, this one works, but if anything that has actually more than 25 megabytes, or there is like it is on the blacklist, for example, this user benchmark is not actually allowed. So I can't really actually add it. But let's try, for example, this one. And it might work, it might not, it depends. So maybe it works. So this one actually got banned as well. So the only files that you can actually send are like completely saved, like documents, Excel sheets, the Word, PowerPoint, or even CVs like PDF and like that. So yeah, guys, that's how you can attach some documents into your Gmail. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.